The lion, the fox, and the donkey entered into an agreement to assist each other in the chase. Having secured a large booty, the lion, on their return from the forest, asked the donkey to allot his due portion to each of the three partners in treaty. The donkey carefully divided the spoil into the three equal shares and modestly requested the two others to make the first choice. The lion, bursting out into a great rage, devoured the donkey. Then he requested the fox to do him the favor to make a division. The fox accumulated all that they had killed into one large heap and left to himself the smallest possible morsel. The lion said, "Who had taught you, my very excellent fellow, the art of division? You are perfect to a fraction," he replied. "I learned it from the donkey by witnessing his